Craving a rich, tender, sweet, and savory Filipino favorite? Today on CMT Kitchen, we're making melt-in-your-mouth pork humba. Super flavorful and so easy to cook. Let's get started. First, let's chop up our fresh garlic and onion. Next, heat a splash of cooking oil in a large pan over medium heat. Add your pork belly slices and fry them until light brown, making sure to flip each side so they cook evenly. Once lightly browned, set the pork aside. In the same pan, sauté your minced garlic and chopped onions until fragrant and translucent. Bring the pork back into the pan and mix well. Now pour in the soy sauce, oyster sauce, and a generous sprinkle of ground black pepper. Give everything a good stir so the pork absorbs all those deep, savory flavors. Pour in water to start braising, add dried bay leaves, then cover and simmer for about 30 to 40 minutes until the meat begins to tenderize. Next, add light brown sugar for that signature sweetness and pour in pineapple juice to balance it with a subtle tangy kick. Cover and let it simmer again until the pork becomes super tender. Now for the iconic humba flavors, toss in your salted black beans or tausi and dried banana blossoms. Mix well and let it cook for another 5 to 10 minutes so the sauce reduces into a rich glossy glaze and all the ingredients blend together perfectly. And look at that! Our melt-in-your-mouth pork humba is ready to serve. Best enjoyed with a mountain of hot, freshly cooked white rice. If you love this recipe, please like, comment, and share. Don't forget to subscribe to CMT Kitchen for more easy, budget-friendly, and mouth-watering dishes. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next recipe. Happy cooking!